Sihi my lovers, welcome back! Your go-to channel for all things audio and tech today. We're diving into the incredible ZS10 Pro XN, an ear earphone designed to blow your mind with hi-fi bass, hybrid drivers, and exceptional noise cancellation. Ready to experience audio perfection? Let's get started. The ZS10 Pro X is not your average earphone. It's part of KZ's renowned lineup, including the ZSN Pro, IS16 Pro, AS12, ZSX, and ZX. Each of these models has carved its own niche in the audio world, and the ZS10 Pro X is no exception. With its hybrid driver setup, sturdy metal design, and sport-ready fit, this earphone promises to elevate your listening experience whether you're at the gym, commuting, or simply chilling at home. It combines multiple dynamic and balanced armature drivers for a full range audio experience. Expect crisp highs, rich mids, and deep bass. If you're a bass lover, this earphone delivers punchy and immersive low frequencies without overwhelming the other ranges. The passive noise isolation blocks out ambient noise, ensuring you stay focused on your music or calls. The ZS10 Pro X features a sleek metal faceplate that not only looks premium but also adds durability. Designed for comfort and stability, these earbuds stay secure during workouts or long listening sessions. How does the ZS10 Pro X stack up against other KZ models? The ZS10 Pro X offers a more detailed soundstage and deeper bass response, while the AS16 Pro focuses on studio-level precision. The ZS10 Pro X is better suited for everyday listening with a touch of fun in its sound signature. Now, let's talk about usability. The detachable cable is a big plus. It allows for easy replacement and customization. And with its 3.5mm connector, it's compatible with a wide range of devices, from smartphones and laptops to DACs and amplifiers. Whether you're a casual listener, a gamer, or an audiophile, the ZS10 Pro X adapts seamlessly to your needs. So, is the ZS10 Pro X worth it? Absolutely! With its hybrid driver setup, powerful bass, and durable design, it delivers incredible value for its price. If you're looking to upgrade your audio gear, this might just be the perfect choice for you. And hey, don't forget to check out the other KZ models like the AS16 Pro or ZX if you want to explore different sound signatures. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe too, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews. Let us know in the comments what's your favorite KZ earphone. Until next time, keep rocking to the beat.